In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Airtable. The process is straightforward, but it's always helpful to get a clear guide to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's begin from the Airtable homepage. Once you're there, simply navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your current profile picture or icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you have a few different options to choose from. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Account. This will take you to a comprehensive view of your account settings. On this page, you'll find various details related to your Airtable account, but our focus is on updating your profile picture. Next, look for your profile under the Account Overview section. Click on your profile picture or icon displayed there. This action will take you to the section where you can manage your profile picture specifically. Now, you should see an option to browse files. Click on this button, which will open a File Explorer window on your device. This is where you can select the new image that you want to use as your profile picture. Choose a picture that you have saved on your device. Make sure it's one that represents you well, as this will be your new digital avatar on Airtable. Once you have selected your desired image, you'll see an option that says Upload one file. Click on it to start the uploading process. At this point, Airtable will upload your chosen image, replacing your previous profile picture with the new one. And just like that, you have successfully changed your profile picture in Airtable. It's a simple process, but it's always good to know exactly where to go and what to do, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or working efficiently in a platform like Airtable. That's all there is to it. With your new profile picture in place, you're ready to continue using Airtable with a fresh look. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on navigating Airtable and other productivity tools.